Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to create another account in Zoom. This is our Zoom app. In this case it's a website, the Zoom website, zoom.us, but you might have the app downloaded and installed in your PC, so you can also do it from there. We want to create another account, which means we already have an account before, but maybe for one reason or the other, best known to us, we want to create another account. So how do we do it? From the home page here, at the top here we have some options. We have schedule, join, host, web app, and profile. Click on this particular profile picture and then you see the option for add account. Click on add account and then you sign in with a new account. If you don't already have an account, you can see stay signed in, so you put in the email address, the password. So you can, if you already have an account, you put it. If you don't have a new account, you just tap on sign up for free. Click on sign up for free in there and then you just get started. So you put in your new email, you put in your birthday, you click on continue, and then you go on to the next one and the next one. So it's to create your free basic account where you get the opportunity for limited meetings for up to 40 minutes and 100 participants each. So you can see all the benefits of having an account. So let's see if we can register another account. Let's try another account. Do we have another account? Don't forget to be verified. So let's just put in something. Just put in something. Sorry. So you put your bet here. Still should enter by that email address, but we don't want to. So okay, let's make it look valid. 124. Let's just email. Nah, they didn't get it. They didn't. Okay, this is Gmail. Is that the popular one? Oh, we put that. I see what happened. Comma instead of a dot. Now it looks real. So the bet here, let's say we're born 2005. Then you click on continue. And then you check your email for a code. The code will be sent to that particular email. You put in the email, you click on verify and follow the prompt, pop-up messages that come up. At the end of thing, you create another account. It is as simple as that. Please put in a real email address. That is why I'm having a problem here, because I put in a fake one. So please put in a real email address. So that is how to create another account in Zoom. If you found this video helpful, if you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this we put up every day. Thanks for watching. That's it for today, guys. See you in the next video. Bye for now.